If you've been listening to ICRT over the past decade, you will know that we promote Hakka culture here. And we love learning about Hakka culture, including picking up useful terms and phrases, learning about amazing Hakka music, and even how to say some important phrases in Keyu or Hakka. Now, you can catch the We Love Hakka show and more interviews with Hakka guests broadcasted on ICRT with DJ Joseph and now with me, DJ Caitlin. Hakka Dialogue is a brand new show brought to you by Hakka Affairs Council starting in 2022. Thanks to their support, ICRT is able to introduce more about Hakka culture. Now, in this new show, every month I will interview a Hakka guest and start a dialogue on different Hakka topics such as music, performing arts, food, and so many other things to talk about. Now, this month we're going to be talking about Hakka Chinese New Year. And also we have an amazing guest, Chen Mingzhu. Now, I met Chen Mingzhu in 2021 when I sang at the Taipei Hakka Music Festival, where I sang some jazz versions of Hakka music, and she interviewed me about how I felt about singing Hakka songs. Now it's the other way around. It's time for me to interview Chen Mingzhu about her culture. She's an incredible host with TV shows, radio shows, and she's even the Taiwan presidential inauguration Hakka host in 2016. She speaks Hakka, Mandarin, and English fluently, and she's going to tell us about her story growing up in Miaoli. Let's welcome her to ICRT FM 100. Hi, Mingzhu. Can you tell us about your childhood in Miaoli? We know that Miaoli is known by its wonderful Hakka culture, and I understand that you learned how to speak Hakka with your family, and you even won a national Hakka speech contest when you were in elementary school. Now, Hakka language plays a very important role in your life. How do you encourage other people to embrace Hakka language and culture?
Well, to speak Hakka in my hometown is such a natural thing to do when I was so young. We speak Hakka at home, at school, also in the public places. 在苗栗，基本上我们所有人啊，都是讲客语，任何的年龄层，然后在任何地方，基本上讲客家话都是可以通的。所以我其实从小的时候呢 ，speak Hakka is such a natural thing for me。所以等到是我长大一点的时候啊，就是离开了故乡，然后慢慢的有从事客家相关的工作的时候，才发现，原来我7年级然后讲客家话好像已经越来越少了。那现在可能更年轻8年级的人要在能够讲母语，其实又更少这样。不过大致上来说，小时候讲母语这件事情是很自然而然的。那当然另外一部分更重要就是因为有那个环境。所以如果真的要怎么样鼓励别人能够学母语的话，我觉得环境是非常重要。就像我的故乡苗栗，它就是一个基本上80%都讲客语的，也因此呢我可以有传承了我们家的母语这样子。
Wonderful. It's wonderful to hear that you were growing up in Miaoli and surrounded by friends and family who encouraged you to embrace Hakka culture, and how you now like to encourage others to go and understand more about their own Hakka culture. Now, you are an incredible host. You are also a radio host, a TV show host. You have your own food and travel and hiking TV shows and YouTube channel. Now, what are your favorite ways to promote Hakka culture in Taiwan?
I think I love to spread or to broadcast Hakka culture both from the internet or face-to-face, because two ways are aiming to different generations. Like young people used to get new information from the internet, but the elder needs more traditional way to connect with each other. So that's why I do my TV program, hosting this TV program show on the TV. I also manage my Facebook website. 所以这几年来呢，我在做行脚节目的时候，我接触了很多的长辈。那因为长辈他们需要这样子面对面的沟通，那是更有温度的。但是对于不同年龄层，比方说更年轻的一些族群，或者是说非客家人的话，他们透过更新式的这些传播方法不管是透过脸书或者是 YouTube、IG， 年轻人的方式可以让触角更广。所 所以如果说真的我喜欢哪一种的话，我认为应该是都要同时进行。我想也像凯琳一样，就是在做广播的时候，我们同时可能有时候会有听友见面会，可以面对面接触，那同时我们也在网络当中接触不同族群这样。所以我觉得在现在这个时代当中，应该都是要双向进行。
And where could people check out your TV show or your radio show or perhaps some of the videos you have made?
You mean where?
Where can people find it? Or what are the names of these TV shows?
Oh, okay. From Hakka TV station is Channel 17. Also, you can find my Facebook fans website. You can search 陈明珠 and you can find it. Thank you for promoting me. Also, IG is the same. 然后YouTube 的话呢，我有一些新的节目，比方说去年我们有一个新的节目叫做山上优雅，那它是专门讲就是爬山类型的节目这样。所以还有一个广播节目，那是在 Hakka Radio Station， 那是客家妹来打卡。所以我觉得如果以现在新的时代要不管传承或是分享任何东西，好像都是要从多方面来进行的。
That's so wonderful that you're able to promote Hakka culture on a range of different platforms. And I certainly will be going to check out that hiking show. You've told me about it before, and I love hiking in Taiwan. And I'm sure learning more about it through your different channels and shows is a great way. Now, Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year is coming up in a few days. And I heard that Hakka people celebrate Lunar New Year's with different traditions. Did you want to tell me what some of those traditions are like?
I think the most important thing to do in Chinese Lunar Year in Hakka is the same as other people will do, is to get together with the family. 所以跟家人团聚是最重要的，那当然对客家人来说也是一样的。那当然我们有一些习俗，比方说我们在就是我们会拜天公，然后我们同时在正月20的时候，那是全国客家日，同时也是天穿日。那这是对我们来说比较重要的部分。那至于呢，就是跟家人团聚之外，我们吃的食物可能跟其他的朋友们也不一样。比方说呢，我们会吃这个叫做喊拌，或者是卤配拌。所以所谓的喊拌就是用那个sticky rice with pork and some shrimp made together， 就是有点黏黏的一种年糕。然后或者是用萝卜做的萝卜糕，那都是对我们来说很传统的客家菜，那一定会在过年的时候吃的。所以如果大家想要更深入的来体验客家文化，在过年的时候的话，我觉得你可以去共餐，去到某一个客家家庭跟他一起吃一餐，你就可以感受到不一样的客家文化这样。
That's amazing. Well, I'll have to come to your house and family to celebrate Chinese New Year next year. That sounds so delicious.
我之前也是邀凯琳来，一直还没做到。我希望2022年可以顺利的实践我这个 promise， 邀请凯琳来我家吃我的客家菜。
哇，好期待，真的很想吃客家菜。All right, well, if I am going to go visit your family and eat some 客家菜, I'm going to need to know some 客语. So how should I say Happy New Year in 客语?
迎年快乐。
迎年快乐。
Yeah, one more try. 新年快乐。
新年快乐。
Wonderful. 新年快乐。
太好了。
恭喜发财，凯琳，你要猜猜看它的华语是什么意思吗？恭喜发财。
哦，是不是恭喜发财吗？
You're so wonderful.
Yeah. 这个很重要啊，因为红包要拿来哦。
对，红包拿来的话呢，客家话叫做红包拿来。
红包拿来。
对，那如果我们把这3句祝贺词合在一起的话，就变成新年快乐，恭喜发财，红包拿来。
哦 ，OK 新
年快乐，
新年快乐，
恭喜发财，
恭喜发财，
红包拿来。
红包拿来。
Yes, wonderful.
Thank you so much for teaching me. It's a beautiful language.
如果你学会这3句的话，在过年的时候去到一些客家旅游景点，我觉得是很好用的。
真的是。那我就觉得这一次的就是新年可以过去苗栗用这句话 来问一下下有没有红包。
If you come to Miaoli, please must buy me.
Absolutely. 然后最后想问一下，就是这是我们 Hakka Dialogue 的第一集。And it's our first ever episode. And I wanted to know, what are some interesting or some cool events that are happening in 2022 if we want to learn more about Hakka culture?
You mean new plans?
Yeah, do you have any plans or what are some great events that will be coming up this year?
OK. 我想这个好消息也是要跟凯琳来分享，因为在新的一年的时候呢，我即将要发行我自己的第一张 EP。然后这一张 EP 当中呢，会有收录客语歌还有华语的歌曲，那对我来说是一个很新的一个尝试。那另外一部分呢，我们同时也希望能够在戏剧的部分有更多的学习。那当然同时更重要的是把我原本的主持这一个工作可以更加精进，可以做得更精深。那我想就是这三大目标作为今年要一起努力的方向。
好棒哦，真的好期待听你的 EP. Now, Mingzhu, you know that I'm a singer and I love music. And actually, I learned a lot of my Mandarin through learning Chinese songs. So, if I'm going to learn some Keyu music and learn more about Keyu, what Kejia songs would you recommend to listen? Or what are some of your favorite Kejia歌?
Then let me recommend my songs. 我要推荐我的歌给 Kylie to all the listener. 那这首歌叫做《冲西龟唱四季》。这首歌呢是按照就是一年当中24个节气然后来写的一首歌。那时候我是跟客语的一个金曲歌王黄连玉共同合唱的这一首歌。然后因为客家人是顺着天地节令来生活，很多的智慧都是跟大自然学习的，所以在这一首歌当中呢，我们也把这样子客家人敬天习物的精神跟我们从自然而学到的智慧都融入到这首歌中。所以我要推荐给凯琳还有所有听众朋友们这首歌《冲西龟唱四季》。
好期待听这首歌。
待会可以给大家听，谢谢。
Amazing. Well, everyone, please keep a lookout for Mingzhu's upcoming EP and other projects. She's all around Taiwan, doing a lot of different hosting, and now she's got new music coming out, so we'll definitely have to stay posted and see what exciting things you have coming out in 2022. Thank you so much, Mingzhu, for joining us on our first episode of Hakka Dialogue.
Thank you so much, Kylie.
And I'll see you soon.
See you.
Thank you so much for tuning in to the first episode of Hakka Dialogue, 客家人物专访. I hope you enjoyed hearing about Chen Mingzhu and her incredible culture and, of course, her brand new EP. I am looking forward to playing it here on ICRT FM 100. Now, Hakka Dialogue is a brand new show that will be showcased on Music Munchies once a month on the last Wednesday. So make sure you tune in again for the next episode on February 23rd. See you then!